Looking for a fun way to get opinion from your friends or group? Today I'll show you a quick trick how to create polls on WhatsApp, whether it's deciding where to meet or what to make for dinner tonight. Polls make it easy to get everyone's vote. So to create a poll, just open the WhatsApp, open the chat and click on this attachment icon and click on this poll and simply place your question you want to ask. Let's say, what for dinner tonight? Barbecue, biryani, Chinese, dal chawal. I think that's it. And if you want him to select multiple answers, then toggle on it. And if you want to select one of the answer, just toggle off this option, allow multiple answers. I'll want him to select multiple answers, so just click on it and click send icon and let's the votes roll in.